You mentioned in your, and I believe I'm grateful to Mukhtar Sahab and Waqas Sahab for giving us excellent presentations. You mentioned that poverty has increased from last year to this year. Yes, we need to do something, but again, I'm sure you know the factors. We had this catastrophic flood in 2022, and it took us back at least 10 years. And we are quite pleased at the way that we have tackled this flood and the rehabilitation that has been done, and the support that we've given. And I'll give an example. Again, I'm grateful to the World Bank because they came and partnered with us in all this. The biggest loss was in the agricultural sector. Almost 2/3 of the province was underwater. The entire crop was destroyed. So what we did was we went back and we said that we need to give confidence to this agricultural sector. We started off by giving them, we couldn't mobilize quickly to give them seed, but what we did was we gave them cash to purchase seed for wheat. And what happened, you just saw 6% growth in agriculture, after a flood. So this was only possible because the government had this vision, I'd say, that we need to build back agriculture. And apart from that, we've given the small farmers, and by small farmers I mean who have land holdings of up to 12.5 acres, a fixed amount of 60,000 rupees, and this has been given this year because we feel, and I'll talk a little about it, I'll get some other forum to talk about agriculture income tax, but I'll do mention you because you mentioned disparity in taxes.